By the end of World War II, about 60 million people were killed, 3% of the 1940s world population. By who? By ourselves, of course, following the visions of leaders that turned out to be more poisonous to the society than any known disease. We live in agreement that something like this will never happen again, yet we spend our time actively accelerating this process without even knowing. We as a species have the option to continue to develop our bodies and brains in a healthy upward trajectory, or we can intentionally poison our population with genetically altered food, pharmaceuticals, vaccinations, and fast food that should be classified as a dangerous addictive drug. Perhaps what makes us even more remarkable is that we have this seemingly infinite capacity to achieve great things, and yet our history is filled with violence toward one another. How can we dedicate countless hours to matters of art, science, and other sophisticated pursuits, and still commit acts of murder or wage globe-spanning wars? Albert Einstein said, "Technological progress is like an axe in the hands of a pathological criminal." Took me a while, but I finally see his point. How often have we chased the dream of progress only to see it reverted? More often than not, haven't the machines we built to improve life shattered the lives of millions? What was once a land of humans, animals, and plants coexisting with each other in a small planet is now a bare wasteland. Mankind must put an end to war. Before war puts an end to mankind. We all know that the dangers facing us today are greater by far than at any time in our history. It's not the soldier with his rifle that's our enemy, or even the airman prowling in the skies above our cities and towns, but the deadly power of abused technology. I figured out that locking myself in the vault would be the safest option. Here where humanity cannot lay a hand on me, since it destroys everything it touches. After all, it is only the dead who've seen the end of war. I probably have enough power left for a couple of weeks or less. My food and water supplies are limited as well. Getting out is not an option. Wandering the wasteland, just getting by day without a goal in my life, makes no sense. One thing is for sure, fighting evil with evil never worked out. It only brings more pain and sorrow, and the sunrise we see at the end of the war is only the beginning of a dark night that comes after. My message to you, therefore, is simple. Help those who cannot help themselves. Give comfort to the lonely and the homeless, and let your family become the focus of hope and life. As we strive together to fight off the new evil, let us pray for our country and men of goodwill, wherever they may be. We people may change for better, may change for worse, but war never changes.